Is there really a button that can bring you a ton of money? Because such a thing even exists? Well, let's find out today. Hey friends, my name is Jameson, and today I'm not going to be in charge. I'm going to be giving it up to my assistant, the AI trading bot. This bot was developed by a team of researchers and developers, and they have made a uniquely talented bot that will give you money. If you don't believe me, you just have to stick out and watch this video till the ending to find out if what I'm saying is true or not. Let's get it. Okay friends, let's start farming money. The bot system is as simple as it gets. Press the button and it tells you when and which direction to open a trade. So right now I'll be trading in real time and showing you everything as it is. I'm working with real funds and every move is at my own risk. So now I've pressed it and we're waiting for a couple of seconds, and the first signal has appeared. The currency pair is Australian dollar and the Swiss franc. So need to find it quickly and enter. The timing is right. Great. The bot recommends opening a short position and we're going to be going with it. So expiration 1 minute works best. 2 is also possible, showing both today, but personally I recommend starting with 1 minute. So a quick breakdown. This signal makes sense. Clear downtrend signal is pushing hard. It has formed a strong red candle. So price is breaking through the support level and my contract is open in a favorable zone. Resistance is visible from candle highs, which are constantly lower each time. The first trade is going well. Not making any predictions, but this might print clean profit. Guys, before live trading, strongly advise testing this bot on a demo account. This will help you get comfortable and see if this style actually works for you. So great. There we have it. Our first profit is secured. We've been trading aggressively and investing $1,000 per trade, and it has already tested the bot and off camera, of course, to see with smaller amounts, and the results were also solid. So I decided to record and share this video using bigger amounts. So next signal will likely be in a different currency pair. We need to find assets, test, and enter immediately. So I'm opening a 2-minute trade now. Let's check. Okay, the bot suggests going long, and we're going to be executing that. Okay, so overall the chart structure looks solid, and despite having recent prolonged dip, price is gradually climbing now. Each new low is higher than the last. Notice this strong reversal sign here. So plus buy activity shows clearly in the candle. Thick bodies and longer lower wicks confirm the market's actively buying in dips. So suspect I'm not the only one using this kind of assistant right now. Yeah, I think so. Our software runs on neural networks and they are clearly not wrong here. Truth is, more traders are switching to automated systems, but finding one that actually works is the real challenge. So okay, I'm going to open another trade now while the previous one is still running. Meanwhile, let me share some key rules for constant profits while working with this bot. We break these and you're looking just at lost. You're going to be losing all the time while using this bot. So Ethereum is a cryptocurrency, so we need to switch to the crypto session of this platform. So important note, check this out. Ethereum is currently only available on OTC section on Pocket Option. OTC quotes offer different exchange rates. They are not the same thing, so only trade assets you've received signals for. So we want only real instruments that are traded globally and that form live market patterns. So I hope you got all that right. All right guys, we're going to be going for our second trade now, and it's a banger. Oh wow, 2 wins in a row. So early to celebrate, but we'll keep watching. Even if I don't know how this will end, but I'm feeling good about the results. We've taken the profit here and we've covered something crucial: how to handle signals properly. Now let's keep going. No matter how it is, we're going to keep going. So no manual entry hunting here. That's our bot job now. It's going to be doing that for us. Okay guys, so I was getting signals for assets currently unavailable with this broker. I just skipped them to keep the stream clean. Now things seem like they're back to normal. It's time to earn, so let's speak honestly and let's get money again. The dollar and Swiss franc, my favorite pair, of course. Long signal confirmed. Full steam ahead, as they said. Yeah, let's go. Let's do this. Another great signal. Price is clearly pushing higher. The trend slope formed. Deviation from the level below. Here's another key point about reaction time. If you take too long to find the currency pair that's right for you, a signal and on a signal, your chance might disappear and your profits will drop sharply. If you got about 20 seconds to react and enter that, after that, better not risk it. So I've opened a $1 trade now. I'm opening it deliberately late, showing how hesitation costs you money. So one thing, don't fully rely on the bots. If you don't know basic analysis or how markets work, pause this video and learn the fundamentals first. So I regularly post chart analysis and quick lessons on my Telegram channel to help you learn trading easier. All this knowledge comes from years in the market. The link is available in the description below. Go and subscribe. I'll be waiting for you. Complete beginners are already profiting. Just check out my stats and you'll see it on Telegram. They speak for themselves. So now, don't waste time. Subscribe, join in, and let's make money today. So, okay, I think this one is a winner. Though I plan to show you a loss. Funny. That's just how it worked out. Let me try again. This time, intentionally losing money, but on a different signal. Okay. Let's say I deliberately entered, delayed my entry here, and the signal is probably outdated. Let's see what we can do. We're going to see how the candle is going to be closing in ending, and we'll just wait 1 minute contract duration. So in scalping, even without the bot, we literally have seconds to make decisions. Bottom line, you get 20 seconds. Missed it, stop and wait for the next one. That's the second golden rule. Follow this and you'll mostly be fine when it comes to trading. So watching, it looks like this trade will actually go red. Honestly, I tried to blow this dollar and I didn't risk a grand. The amount is still hot to lose, of course, but $1 versus today's profits, that's pocket change. So what's happening? Looks like upward movement is starting to form. Well, apparently profits is drawn to me like a magnet, or rather the bot pulls it in. All right, I hope you understand where I was going with these losing trades. I just wanted to show you how it works. I want you to avoid the losses too, even if you suddenly decide to chase them on purpose. The key, guys, is staying calm, cool nerves, cool-headed, a couple of clicks, and we'll start earning bit by bit. So not right away, but gradually. It's a journey, not a sprint. Only then will you see the results. Okay, one more contract, and that is enough. Let's see how it ends, and whether it will be in profit or finally a loss. Just a reminder, I don't analyze situation before entering. It is all on the bot. Now, this is an interesting moment. The situation is deadlocked. I wouldn't enter these under normal conditions. Support and resistance level are far away and the price is stuck in a flat. Sharp spikes up and down like on command. Honestly, I wouldn't risk it, but the bot decided otherwise. Maybe it's a miscalculation or maybe not. We are going to find out soon. Okay, all links on the description and in description. If something is unclear and you have a question about this bot or whether it works or anything like that, just come to my DM and I'll answer it for you. Let's go. I'm saying it here. If you like the breakdown, hit the like button. It really motivates me to make more content for you. And yes, we have a perfect impulse here. The final seconds and the trade unconfidently goes into profits. Oh my god, profit again, just brilliant. Let's wrap up the marathon on a high note. That's it. Trade close. You can see it here. Money second. You saw everything here. No embellishments, no cuts. The video was straight as it went. The bot is linked to my Telegram channel. You can get it from there. And guys, don't let anybody lie to you that the market forgives those who waste time. Don't dilly-dally. Get on it now. Like, share, comment, share this video with your friends, and we'll see you guys on the next one. I'll be waiting for you.